Is confusion caused by having conflicting desires?
Again, my answer will be the same. You have conflicting desire because you are unconscious. When your house is in darkness, then all kind of dangerous insects and animals will come there. And these conflicting desires, the inner fight, the inner conflict, it is because you are unconscious. So, but this is how we are brought up. We have been programmed in that way to not to deal with the root. Always we think that something can be done to the mind, but that is just pushing your problem just little bit. It can never be cured in that way. When the master is not present inside you, when the inner light is absent, when the watchman is not inside, then all kind of thieves will enter inside you. So whatever is your inner problem, the only solution for all your psychological problem is to become conscious. But because these people want to earn money through you, so they will give you all kind of therapies, and you also don't have that much intelligence and that much burning desire. Maybe in all your past lives you have not worked much in that direction, so it is something new for you. So you will be asking these kind of question. What you ask? What was the question?
Is confusion caused by having many conflicting desires?
It is so clear why you will have many conflicting desires. You can have conflicting desires only when you are sleeping, only when you are not alert, only when you are not awake. Otherwise, why you will create hell for yourself? You will have desire. You will desire only those things that will help you to grow, that will disperse all your confusion, all your conflicts. Why you will create your inner conflict? If you are creating your inner conflict, if you are creating inner confusions, that means you are totally asleep. You are a somnambulist. You are walking in while you are walking while you are asleep. So the only solution is to become conscious, and that is something which needs tremendous effort. It is very arduous. That's why we try to find some cheap solution. Going to a psychiatrist or going to a psychologist or psychoanalyst is a very cheap solution, because you are not doing anything. They will do something for you. But whatever others is doing from outside, the problem is inside you. It is not going to solve your problem. Just maybe you feel for a while little relaxed, but again the problem will come back with greater force. So if something is within you, only you can solve it. But these people have created more confusion within you, within others, that they can solve. No one from outside can solve it, not even a master. Master can only show you the way, that this is the way, but you have to travel the whole way. And if someone else from outside can solve your problem, then he can create your problems also. And it is below, it is not something worth striving for, where others can solve your problem. You have something within you which is asleep. Now you have to make it awake. You have not given it any attention. So it is in a sleeping state. Now you have to awaken it. But because our love is only for money, and we think that is our inner level, that if we have got house, if we have got some money, if we have got husband or wife, comfortable life, that is for us enough. We cannot see beyond it. That much intelligence is not there. That these things are just we are acquiring outside. Nothing can in any way change our inner state. Anything which comes from outside cannot in any way remove our inner darkness. Your darkness is from within you, so outside light cannot help in it. Okay? Clear?